Hi guys, welcome to Keto Living. I know I'm a little late today, but I wanted to make this for my dinner, and so I didn't want to make it ahead of time because, well, I wanted it for dinner. So I hope you all are having an awesome day. Today we're going to start a little series on Mexican fiesta. So, hola, ¿cómo está? Ooh. Anyway, I'm sorry, bad Spanish, I know. We are going to be making keto style enchiladas today. Of course, they won't have any tortillas with them, but it'll still be delicious. So let me pull you down here and show you what we're doing. Hold on one moment. Okay, so we're going to be using chicken thighs, and we're going to need a small casserole dish. Now, what I'm showing you is going to do like a serving of 4, but there's only me, so you're going to need about 1 to 2 cups of cheese. And I used a mixture of Monterrey Jack, cheddar, and pepper jack cheese. I like the combination of it. And then I'm using this right here. It's the green Salsa Verde sauce. And I like to use it instead of the red sauce because it only has, for 2 tablespoons, it has 2 carbs and then 1 gram of fiber. So, and it has no sugar at all. So it only has really 1 net carb for 2 tablespoons. And it doesn't have added sugar. And it's the real Mexican kind. So then we're going to have a little cumin, a little garlic powder, some chili powder, some pepper, and some salt. And then I like black olives, so I'm going to put a little black olives on there. And then I'm going to spray my pan with avocado oil. As soon as I get this cheese I dumped in it out of it. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this with a little avocado oil. And, y'all, this is the easiest recipe ever. You literally just dump everything in the pot and it'll be all ready for you. Okay, sorry. I forgot to set my oven. Alright, so what we're going to do first is put this chicken in the pan itself after we sprayed it. I'm trying really hard not to touch it. And you want to put skin side up. Put it around this way. I think I can get all of it in that way. I'm just using a small pan because it's just me and, you know. Alright. So then I have a little bag hanging on my dishwasher down here to hold that nasty little chicken bag there. Alright. So first you're going to do, you're going to put some salt. And this is just to taste. And some cracked pepper. And then you're going to put about a tablespoon of cumin. And I just put it like a little half palm full. And I'm just spreading it on here. I think cumin is essential to Mexican cooking. I mean, it's just, I love it. It's one of my favorite flavors. And then you're going to put some garlic powder. And like I said, this is pretty much to taste, guys. And it really just depends on how much chicken you have. Like, I don't really have a whole lot of chicken. Only got 4 pieces. But, and then you're going to put some chili powder. And mine has a little thing on there, so I'm just going to sprinkle that on there. Now, if you want it hot, you can always put some hot sauce on here. But I got mild Salsa Verde, so it's not going to be that hot. So, but before I put my sauce on here, I got whole pitted black olives. And I'm just going to slice them in half and throw them around the dish. I love black olives. I just think they have a wonderful flavor. I know some people don't like them, and if you don't like them, you can certainly leave them out. Now, I usually put green chilies in here too, but I'm sharing this with somebody tonight that does not like too much heat, so I'm going to skip the green chilies tonight. But if it was just me, I'd be putting green chilies on it. Okay, so now this is the green salsa. Actually, I'm going to pour what's in the can, left over in the can first. And so you're just going to put this over here. Starting to look like enchiladas. Now, I do like the green salsa better than I like the red because it has less carbs in it. And I love the taste of tomatillos. And that's what Salsa Verde means, green salsa. It's made from tomatillos. And I like it. Okay, now, the next thing you're going to do is take some cheese. Take your cheese mixture and put it on top. Now, I'm not going to do all of it at one time because when it comes out of the oven, I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on the plate. All right, I'm going to bake this at 375 probably for about 45 minutes. And when we come back, I show you how I serve it. All right, be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back and it's all done. This is what it looks like. Now, I will say probably in the last 10 minutes, I baked it at 375 for about 35 minutes. And the last 5 or 10 minutes or so, I did put a piece of foil over it to keep the cheese from getting too dark. So how I serve this is, oh, my mouth is watering. Whoops, not upside down usually. Take the chicken and put it in a bowl. Ooh, hot, very hot. And then what I do is I usually put some more cheese on top because it's hot and it'll melt. And then I pour a little bit more. Here, let me put it this way so you can see what I'm doing. And then I pour a little bit more tomatillo sauce on top. And then I fish out a couple olives, put in my plate. And then I just take a little sour cream and I put it on the side of my dish because this chicken is on the bone, so I'm going to pull it off the bone. And then I take a little guacamole and put it on the side of my plate so I can dip the chicken in. And voila. Y'all, this is so good. My mouth is watering. Let me bring you up here. Hold on. Don't get drunk. Okay. We're back. All right. So, this is my take on enchiladas. Now, I will say there is another way that you can do this. You can cook the chicken and you can take it off the bone, or you can use chicken breast. I use chicken thighs because that's what I had. But cook the meat, take it off the bone, and then take some cabbage leaves and cut the core off the cabbage and peel the leaves back very carefully so they're whole. Boil them for about 5 minutes or so, and, you know, of course, boiling water. And then take them out and immediately put them in an ice bath. And so they'll stop cooking. And then put your chicken, you mix your chicken, enchilada sauce, sour cream, guacamole, cheese all together. And then put it inside of the cabbage roll and roll it up. And then put it in your pan, pour your enchilada sauce over top, your cheese on top, and bake it like that. I did not have cabbage and I couldn't run out and get some today. So I'm eating mine this way, but I'm going to tell you what, it looks really tasty. And it's really hot, so I'm not going to take a bite for you, but trust me, I will be eating this when it cools off just a bit. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for next week. Next week, we're going to be doing nachos and tacos, and I'm so excited about that. All right, I'll see you all later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already. And make sure you tap the bell so you be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.